Hey everyone, welcome back to By Ambition. In this video, I'll show you how to clear browsing history in Firefox. Clearing your history can help protect your privacy and remove old website records. So let's get started. Step 1. First, open up the Firefox browser on your computer, which I already have right here. Step 2. Click the three lines in the top right corner, then click History. Step 3. Click Clear Recent History. Step 4, select a time range by clicking here. You have 5 options. You have last hour, last 2 hours, last 4 hours, since 12 a.m., and everything. For the sake of this video, we're going to click everything. Step 5, make sure browsing and download history is checked. We can uncheck these since we only want to clear the browsing history. Step 6, click clear. And that's how you clear the browsing history in Firefox. If this video helped, like the video, subscribe to By Ambition, and I'll see you in the next one.